Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here. I want to bring another original knot. This is going to be the empty wreath. Let's get started. This is my left side. It's at the belt line. I'm going to be up here close so you can see what I'm doing up here. I'm going to put in a dimple here and we're going to bring that over to the center like so. So there we have that. So then I'm going to come over with the skinny end. I'm going to come around like this and then I'm going to come over here just down like so. I'm going to put my skinny end through the this part that I just did right here. I'm going to tighten it up like this, as tight as I can get it. So then I'm going to do a wreath right here. And then come back around, and I'm just going to bring it down here. So it's going to probably just be unfolded. Yeah, there we have it. So I'm going to have it kind of sticking out like this. It kind of created a point, so I'm just going to leave that point right there, that wreath point. So that's if you just tighten it up real quick and then it should just create a point. So how I did that was I just tightened it real quick and then I just watch it again. I can't explain it. So here we go. So we have it right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it like this and then I'm going to go back around like this and then put it up like that. Guys, I create these knots as I'm doing them, so I am just doing it as I go. So now I'm at this point. This is a move I got from Boris Mocha. I'm going to come back and I'm going to do this. Okay, so I'm creating a kind of like a point here, but that's not going to be very stable. So what I'm going to then do is I'm going to then fold this tie in half. And I'm going to cover what I just did up to keep it in place, but then I'm going to kind of push it up like that. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a wreath right here, and I'm going to go through this right here. So there you have it. So that's the empty wreath. Oh no, stop, my friends, you're fearfully wonderfully made. Catch this picture on Instagram and watch these videos until you get it, because I'm going fast. I know I am. I'm creating these as I go. But you can go back and look. I do my best to slow it down for you. So, oh no, stop, my friends, you're fearfully wonderfully made. See you in the next video.